G'day,
Yeah.
this is Jason from Solar Batteries Online with Jerry Robinson from the Greenhouse Effect. Just here up at Jerry's workshop, we've got a couple of pre-wired kits that are heading off to Tassie with some quality components. Jerry, why do you fancy this electronic in your installs?
It's easy. It's easy. Just 10-year warranty. It's what's in my house. I don't even have to look at it. Don't even have to play with it. Don't even have to do anything. So, come in the 3.5 kilowatts, 5 kilowatts, and 7.5, and then of course we can maximise. You know, we can have 1, 2, 3, or 4 per phase. Sure, that mightn't mean a whole lot to you, but it can get massive. It can go massive. So we can start off with a kit this size, and if you ended up with swimming pool, big air conditioner, pool heating, we can have another one. So we're really expandable.
And some of the feedback I get is, you know, installers just want something that's reliable. They don't want cheaper stuff. They don't want 100 installs out there going back to problems.
Big disaster. Yeah, big disaster. So, I mean, look, it is still off-grid living. There's still some little things, you know, check your diesel on your generator, get the diesel generator serviced, like just obvious stuff. Same as you do for your car. But other than that, good as gold.